Welcome back to another Tech Sage video. Today, there will be another round of gadgets with totally different characteristics and functionality. Be sure to like and subscribe for future contents. And let's dive in. If you are a steak lover, this gadget is going to be your favorite. As we all know that it is frustrating to not get your steak right, that is why Steak Champ can help you resolve that frustration. It has a similar design as a thermometer, but rather than measuring temperature, this product helps you to determine the cook condition of steak. With its high precision, intelligent measuring electronics which takes the temperature of core areas of the meat at several points of the probe. It has 3 separate lights which are red, yellow, and green at the top, with each indicating whether the steak is medium well, medium or medium rare respectively. When it flashes double time, it means that it is time to take out your steak. To use the Steak Champ, just activate the thermometer, insert it into an uncooked steak and wait for the lights that signals you your desired cooked steak. Its price sits at $50. With Steak Champ, you will always get your steak, duck or fish and other wild games right too. There are already devices that help you clean your floors, lawn, and dishes. What if there's also a gadget that helps you to take care of your clothes, keeping them clean and fresh? The Samsung AirDresser might be what you need. It is almost half the width of a typical fridge and able to quickly refresh your clothes in as little as 20 minutes, or thoroughly steam sanitize from the comfort of your own home. Besides keeping your clothes wrinkleless, it also has a sanitizer program that uses high-temperature steam to penetrates and sanitizes clothes, eliminating 99.9% of common bacteria and dust mites from fabric. In addition, it removes and absorbs 99% of stubborn odors caused by smoke, perspiration, and food. Designed with AI-powered learning and Wi-Fi connectivity with a user-friendly interface, remotely start, pause, receive notifications, and get cycle recommendations right on your phone with the SmartThings app, so you can care for your clothes from anywhere at any time. This sophisticated gadget is priced at $1,000. Having different types of charging cables are such a mess. Especially if you own different types of electronic gadgets. We've all been there, searching frantically for the right cable for a particular device. KableCARD is a revolutionary design that integrates all the essential and most frequently used cables connectors, a near 1 foot long Type-C base cable with 3 types of adapters which makes up to 6 different types of cables, ranging from Type A to the Lightning cable. KableCARD is also designed with a wireless charge. When KableCARD is plugged into a power source, it acts as a wireless charger for your device. With or without wire, it's all up to you. The great thing about having cables and essentials to be designed as a card dimension is that it's just so neat. While everyone has to dig around their bag looking for the right cable in the depth of the bag, you don't need to. Price sits at $39 and is only 0.3 inches thick, making it extremely portable. With KableCARD, you don't even have to think about which type of cable to bring. Just slide the card out of your wallet or pocket, whenever and wherever you need. This upcoming gadget is a wireless speaker but really stands out when compared to other Bluetooth speakers in the market. The Wow Sound speaker has a unique exterior design and extremely high-quality 360-angle audio. From the outside, it looks like an umbrella at the top, while its bottom can be fit into most cup holders. This speaker is IP67 certified waterproof, shockproof and dustproof, making it the perfect speaker for any occasion. Whether it's a pool party or a day at the beach, it will be of a great companion. It can be submerged and floats on water too. It has a 360-angle LED lights that will illuminate its surroundings. With 50 hours of battery life, it will definitely keep the party going. It can connect with more than one Wow Sound speaker together for an even greater sound. Each speaker has 4 2-inch active speakers and 1 4-inch passive bass for a great balanced sound with sweet highs and some deep lows. This speaker that can handle any extreme outdoor conditions sits at a price of $150. With its portable design with easy carry handle, you will be able to bring your music anywhere you want. Most adapters around the world are similar in design, with a boring cube-like shape. This amazing adapter is going to bring in some style. Introducing the Exinno adapter, which is also the world's most powerful and smallest 6-port charger. Unlike most typical adapter that only has one USB output, the Exinno has 6 USB outlets that enables multiple people to charge their electronic devices. Do note that all 6 ports are quick charging with a total maximum power output of 240 watts. In addition, it also has a real-time wattage display panel that lets its user to observe power usage and power percentage. With it, you can clearly know the power distribution status of each port, and arrange the devices which need the most power to be charged at the fastest ports. Did I also mention that this adapter supports worldwide universal voltage ranging from 100 to 240 volts, and comes with 3 different plug converters, so that you can use it in 200 plus countries worldwide. This powerful adapter sits at $112. With its portable size of just 4.3 inches in height and 3.3 inches in width, you can bring it to anywhere you want. Take notes or ideas down on a piece of paper is an important way to remind yourself the task at hand. But nowadays, who even carries a notebook or sticky notes around? That is why Scripter was invented. This gadget takes the path towards revolutionizing the note-taking experience through innovations, proprietary, software and hardware, all working as one. Because of all these, Scripter is the preferred way to take down notes, in addition to its superb audio and enhanced text-to-speech. It also supports up to 19 languages, such as Hindi, Portuguese, Swedish, and Hebrew. To help its users to take full advantage of this powerful product, it has a set of magnets which enables it to be clipped onto your shirt or coat easily. Its price sits at $140. With only the size of roughly 2 inches, and an average of 1 hour of recording time, you will be able to write down to-do list, have better documentation and saves time, stay organized, saved voice recordings and able to help you spell check. Most houses has security cameras nowadays, but they are most likely stationary, that just monitors a room at a specific angle. What if there's a single security camera that can move around the house? Meet the Always Home Cam, which is a security camera that flies around your house in autopilot mode. Check in on command, or see what's happening when Ring alarm is triggered. Left a window open or the stove on? Created designated flight paths ahead of time so you can manually check in with the Ring app from anywhere at any time. If your Ring alarm contact sensors or motion detectors are triggered, Always Home Cam can automatically fly to see what's happening. When at low battery, it will fly to its charging dock. However, Always Home Cam is blocked when docked and only activates its camera when it leaves the dock to fly on a preset path customized by you with the aid of the Ring app. This flying security camera is priced at $250, but only people with invitations can buy it at the time of this video was made. With the Always Home Cam, you will only need one security camera to monitor your whole house at different angles. Mutrics GB-30 is the world's first pair of smart glasses that are specially designed for video gamers. Its striking design of a combination of retro, vintage which is inspired by the original Game Boy back in 1989. This smart glasses gives gamers high audio quality experience that does not require to cover the ears like a typical headset, giving gamers an immersive, more comfortable and less sweaty gaming experience. Other than that, the sound it produces gives you a clear indication on where the enemies are. It also has an anti-blue light lenses combined to deliver gamers an unparalleled sound experience, as well as ear and eye comfort and protection for long-time video gaming. The Mutrics glasses also allow users to use Google, or handle phone calls with just a click, or with just your own voice. This smart glasses is IP55 certified with waterproof capabilities. The price of this gadget sits at $99. With the Mutrics glasses, prolonged periods of gaming will not make your ears feel any discomfort or soreness. It leaves your ears unplugged so you are still able to hear and interact with the world around you when playing video games. Whether you are a gym rat or just somebody that just want to gain some muscles, but don't have the time to go to a gym, this is the perfect gadget for you. The Nova Gym only weighed 2 pounds but able to build up an impressive 25 pounds of smooth resistance. It is designed to enable users to build different parts of the body muscle. This exercising equipment is small, effective in gaining muscles and can totally replace most of your bulky, heavy and expensive gym equipment. Its flex backs allows you to snap it onto the gadget with an increment of 5 to 10 pounds of resistance. Don't worry about its cables, its nylon-coated stainless steel cables will make sure that it can handle any degree of stress. Due to its foldable capabilities and being lightweight, you can literally bring it anywhere such as your office, while on a treadmill or even an evening stroll around the neighborhood. The Nova Gym uses NASA's Spiroflex resistance technology to help its users to get some gains effectively. Build muscle, increase flexibility, burn fat, and strengthen your chest, back, arms, core, abs and legs while increasing cardio endurance with the Nova Personal Gym. The price sits at $150 US. With this gadget, there is no more excuses to burn those stubborn fats away. Keeping our teeth clean is part of our daily hygiene responsibility. This uniquely designed toothbrush will not only make sure your teeth are clean and fresh, but also give you on-edge and convenience no matter it's at home or while you're traveling. With a stylish design and comes with 4 colors, it is able to store toothpaste inside its built-in 1 fluid ounce of toothpaste storage compartment that will last you for a whole month. With just a push of a button, the toothpaste will come out just like that on the bristles. This eliminates the need to carry a whole toothpaste tube with you or traveling abroad. This electronic toothbrush has a 20,000 sonic vibrations per minute Nest Brush Electric, which gently brushes your gums and teeth, effectively removing the plaque. In addition, the Nest brush will always be squeaky clean due to its UV module stand that has 2 powerful built-in UVC LED lights that effectively sterilize your toothbrush in under a minute after every use, while at the same time having its head shield up to keep your toothbrush protected from the air all day long. The Nest brush sits at a price of $29 US. With bristles that made out of 100% food-grade hypoallergenic silicone, Nest brush not only feels great to hold but is softer on your teeth. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you think about these gadgets by leaving a comment below. And see you in the next video.